This is Mark, 52 years old. Lately he's been feeling bloated, tired, and constantly uncomfortable after meals. His doctor says it's your gut health, Mark, and food might be the key to fixing it. Your gut is more than just your stomach. It's home to trillions of bacteria, your gut microbiome, that help with digestion, immunity, mental health, and inflammation. When this balance is off, your entire body feels it. Luckily, research shows that the right foods can transform your gut health. Here's what Mark added to his diet, and what you should too. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso are rich in probiotics. A study in Cell showed they increase microbiome diversity and lower inflammation markers. Prebiotics are fibers that feed your good bacteria. Found in bananas, garlic, onions, leeks, and asparagus, they help produce short-chain fatty acids that protect your gut lining. Polyphenols in foods like berries, green tea, olive oil, and dark chocolate feed healthy bacteria and reduce oxidative stress. Soluble fiber found in oats, chia seeds, lentils, and flax seeds slows digestion and supports beneficial gut flora. Studies link it to lower risks of IBS and colorectal cancer. Three months later, Mark feels like a new man. Less bloating, better sleep, more energy, all by eating the right foods, recommended by science, guided by his doctor. Want a healthier gut? Start with your plate. Science backs it. Your gut depends on it. Subscribe to Dr. GT's channel for more evidence-based health tips that transform lives.